Boys and girls, we're going to do another page for our interactive notebook. This page is for positional words, and positional words just means where something is. So it might be under, maybe Lizzie might be under the table, or maybe your paper might be on top of the table. And so that's what these words are going to be. This is what this page is all about. So you're going to start by cutting this whole page out. All of that, all the way around, like some of our other pages have already been. And you'll cut this little part out too. It says positional words. After you cut it out, it's going to look like this, like that. After you've cut it out, you're going to fold it on these lines. Like that. And then you're going to fold it on the other line. Do you see how I'm not going all the way to the side, right? Then I turn it over, and I'm going to use my glue stick, and I'm going to glue it right in the middle, right between these two lines where I folded the paper. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I'm going to put it so that my words, my letters are all going the right direction. And I'm going to press it down. Then I'm going to take my scissors and I'm going to cut right on those lines, right all the way up to that dotted line, and I'm going to stop at that dotted line. Always cut away from my body. So that means I have to turn my book around so that I can cut the other side away from my body, always away from my body. Now that I have those cut out, I'm going to glue my title down. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Make sure your letters are going the right direction. Now, you're going to probably need a mom or dad to help you read this, and that's okay. Or maybe if you have a big brother or sister, they can read this to you as well. It says, draw a boy at the top of a slide. And so you're going to open this flap and you're going to draw a boy at the top of a slide. Now you know Mrs. Victor, she doesn't draw very well, but I'm going to give it a whirl here. There's a slide. There. There's a ladder. Now, I'm sure you can all draw much better than I can. And I'm going to draw the little steps for the ladder. Now it says the boy is supposed to be at the top of the slide. So I'm going to draw a little boy. There's his head and one of his eyes. I'm going to give him a ball cap. There. And a smile. And then I'm going to give him a body and some legs and a couple of hands. Now I have a little boy at the top of a slide. That's going to go on page 50 of your interactive notebook. You're going to do the same thing with all of the following flaps in your interactive notebook.